If I give you advice and you say, no, that won't work, I'm probably going to question you why. And if you don't have a solid reason on why it won't work, well, then I might call you out and be like, no, you're just not willing to try, which is okay. You're just not in the right time for you to move into what you need to do in order to move forward. Because a lot of the same steps to get us from point A to point B are roughly the same. No matter if you're a trendline trader, support and resistance, supply, demand, order block, indicators, straight up price action, whatever it is, there's a set of disciplinary steps we need to take in order to get there. And we have to be willing to do that. The bike riding example. Some people can just hop on a bike and go. Like they learn through that experience of falling down, getting back up, and trying it out again. Other people need to know how it works. How does the bike even, like, why it makes the wheels spin? Why is there's chains and everything like that. Okay, some people need to know that. Others have to start on a scooter first. They got to start with their balance there. Others need to get on one of those little Strider things, the one that don't even have pedals, and you just push yourself and balance yourself before they can get on a bike. As long as the end result is you're riding a bike later on, I don't care what the steps are to get you there. But when somebody points out a step of, hey, you might want to try this, and you're not willing to try it, and you have no valid reason on why you won't try it, well, then you might not really want to get to the end result.